Pool Payday video ads can freeze because of a bad network connection, an outdated app session, or a temporary ad loading problem. If the game works normally but the video stays stuck, the problem is usually with the ad connection rather than the pool game itself. You can usually narrow this down without reinstalling the app immediately. Start with the connection, then refresh Pool Payday, and only after that move to device-level fixes. First, switch your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, turn Wi-Fi off and test Pool Payday over mobile data. If you are already on mobile data, try a reliable Wi-Fi network. A video ad needs a stable connection to load and play, so the game can remain usable, even when the advertisement cannot load correctly. Next, completely close Pool Payday and open it again. Do not leave the app running in the background. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Pool Payday away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and remove Pool Payday before launching it again. If the same ad keeps freezing, check whether Pool Payday has an update available in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. An outdated app can have compatibility problems with newer advertising or operating system components. Install the available update, then restart the app. On Android, you can also clear Pool Payday's cache through the app settings. This removes temporary files without deleting the app itself. After clearing the cache, launch Pool Payday again and test another video ad. If you are using an iPhone, there is no equivalent general cache button for individual apps. Instead, close the app, restart the iPhone, and check the App Store for an update. If the problem continues, reinstalling Pool Payday can refresh damaged local app data, but make sure your game progress is connected to the appropriate account before removing the app. Also check whether the problem happens with every video ad or only one particular advertisement. If every ad freezes, focus on your connection, app version, and device settings. If only one ad freezes while other ads play normally, the issue may be specific to that advertisement or the ad provider. So the practical order is simple. Change the connection, force close Pool Payday, update the app, clear the Android cache if applicable, and restart or reinstall only when necessary. Try those steps in that order, then test the video ads again. If this fixed the freezing, leave a like and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.